Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this simple chignon hairstyle in just a few minutes. Start by dividing the hair into 3 sections and pop the middle section into a low ponytail. Then we're going to make a hole behind that ponytail and pop a couple of fingers through. Pass your ponytail to your fingers and pull it all the way through to create a twist. Then we're going to repeat this one more time. So we're going to pop our fingers through and pull just the ends through so it makes a nice chignon. Spread this out with your fingers at the side and tuck the ends underneath, and then just secure it at the top with a few bobby pins. With the side section, I'm going to take a little bit near the top of the head and divide it in half. And then we're just going to wrap that front section over the back one. Then we're going to add a little slice of hair to that front section, and again we're going to wrap this over the back section. So I'll show you one more time. Add a slice of hair to that front section, incorporate it all together, and then just wrap it over that back section. And we're going to keep doing this until we run out of hair, taking it over the top of that little chignon at the back of the head. Carry on twisting when you run out of hair, and then we're just going to pop an elastic band on the end and just tuck it down the side of that chignon and secure in place with a bobby pin. Also slip a bobby pin through the twist to keep it nice and secure. Then we're going to repeat the same twist on the opposite side of the head. So keep incorporating a slice of hair until you run out. Then just twist the hair until you get to the end and secure it with a clear elastic band. Secure this twist through the centre with a bobby pin or 2, and with the tail ends again we're going to just tuck them underneath that chignon and secure with a bobby pin or 2. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.